Welcome back to my video series of optimizing every single dollar that I'm spending through smart credit card usage. Today, I briefly want to talk about the Bilt Mastercard and its membership program, especially Rent Day. I've reviewed this credit card before and you can find this video right up here if you want to check it out. But today is a special video because I want to talk about Rent Day. The next Rent Day that's coming up is pretty soon. It's July 1st, 2023. So you still have time to sign up for either the membership program that Bilt has or its credit card. This video will be super short, but I still want to spend some time talking about what Bilt is giving you for this Rent Day, so you can take full advantage and optimize your spending better. First of all, what's Rent Day? Each first of the month, Bilt has something that's called a Rent Day, which is a program that earns you bonus points and usually some special program that either makes you earn special rewards or allows you to use your points in a better way. What's always the same, each Rent Day you double your points on each purchase that you have on this card. Typically, you get 1 point per dollar for all regular purchases, 2 points per dollar for all travel purchases, and 3 points per dollar for dining. And on Rent Day, all of those purchases get you double those points. So for example, if you're dining out, you earn 6 points per dollar instead of 3, which is incredible. In this video, I'm explaining you how I'm optimizing Rent Day this time, and I'm also going to talk about the special benefit you're getting this July. For this Rent Day, I'm very excited because Bilt has partnered up with Lyft, and you just earn Lyft credits just by having this card or having a membership program there. For this Lyft credit that you're earning, there are different tiers. First of all, as a Bilt member. Now, who's a Bilt member? A Bilt member is someone who does not have the credit card, but is signed up for the Bilt loyalty program on their website. You can find all of the infos on how to do this in my previous video up here. And as a Lyft member, you will earn $10 of Lyft credits this time. This means if you're not a member yet, you can still do this today. Go to their website, sign up to be part of their loyalty program, and earn your $10 of Lyft credits automatically. Then the second tier is for Bilt Mastercard holders. This means you have this physical credit card, you're using it to pay rent or regular purchases, and you will earn $20 of Lyft credits on July 1st through Rent Day. And you may be thinking, do I still have time to get this card by July 1st? And the answer is yes, because Bilt gives you access to the full account number on the app before you even have the physical card. So if you sign up for this credit card before July 1st, it's really likely that you get approved for this card before and you earn those Lyft credits in addition. So we have $10 for Bilt members, we have $20 for Bilt credit card holders, and there's a third tier. That tier gives you extra $5 if you actually book and take a ride on July 1st. So in addition to the benefits like the $10 or $20, you're getting an extra $5. This is everything about this benefit so far. I'm definitely going to use it. I use Lyft all the time, so I'm very happy about it. Now let's talk about double points that I'm earning on Rent Day through Bilt. I've had this card for a little over a year now, and nowadays I strategically plan my Rent Day because I'm optimizing every single dollar that I'm spending, as I said earlier, and I really want to take advantage of the double points that I get on Rent Day. I usually do this by front-loading certain purchases that I know will happen in a given month, and here's what I'm planning to do this time. First thing that I do every single month actually is front-loading all of my fitness classes. I live in New York and I love going to group fitness classes, however they're pretty pricey. And I have the studio that I go to all the time and I typically just buy a 10 or 20 pack. Second thing I'm doing is I'm buying a gift card for my favorite coffee shop in New York. I'm buying a gift card because I go there multiple times per week and I'm missing out on extra points because you get 6 points per dollar on dining. So I'm planning to spend at least $50 this month in this coffee shop. The third thing I'm doing is I'm going to pay my electricity bill with this credit card on July 1st. I found out that I can change the payment date of my electricity bill to the 1st of each month. So I did that a couple of months ago and now I'm earning double points just by paying my electricity. Then I will buy train tickets because I'm planning a 1-day hike up to Hudson Valley this month. And I want to take advantage of the double points for travel. So I'm earning 4 points per dollar on those train tickets. Next up is my website and blog. I use Squarespace, which is pretty pricey. I schedule the payment date here to the 1st of each month as well, so I'm also earning double points for my website and blog expenses. Next up is my subscription for Matcha. I love Matcha and their matcha. I never drink coffee, so this matcha is not cheap and I get it auto-delivered every single month. So I purchase them each first of the month to get extra points there as well. Then I have a wellness and recovery subscription at one place in New York. I usually do cryotherapy, red light therapy, sometimes IV drips, and this membership is also quite expensive, so I try to purchase it on the 1st of each month to pay for it, to earn the double points there as well. Last but not least, I have a mini trip coming up in August for a wedding, and I haven't booked a hotel yet, so I'm planning to book the hotel on July 1st to take advantage of 4 points per dollar that I'm spending on travel. Altogether, I should be earning an extra 7,300 points just by front-loading my expenses. This is 50% more than what I would usually earn with those purchases, so I think it's really worth it. If you want to know more about how to front-load your expenses, how to use this credit card or other credit cards in the best way possible, check out my links below. I have a blog where I'm writing about this all the time now. I really want you guys to understand how to optimize your dollars as well. I typically travel for free wherever I go nowadays, and I hope you find a way to do this yourself as well. If you like this video, please comment below and let me know what you think, because I'm going to film more content on this. I'm super passionate about it. I really want to help you guys, and I hope I'll see you soon.